The restoration process begins. I apologize for not getting some footage of the tear down here, but we got the controls removed, the compressor unbolted, all the screws out from the unit. So we're gonna lift the refrigeration system out and take it from there. This is the one that has less pan rot, but the rubbing fan shroud. So we're gonna see if we can fix that, or if I'm switching it with the shroud from that unit that has the bad pan rot. Trying to make one real good one out of the two. The other two, the other one I'm still gonna hang on to and eventually clean up if I don't get to it today. But right now the scope is to at least get one of these started towards being a daily runner and make it look new again. So let's see. All right, folks, there it is. So coils get cleaned, paint the ends, paint the compressor. This insulation's still good, that will stay. Look at this. That's factory as far as I could tell, because there's no added service ports on this unit. But there must have been a pinhole leak there out of the factory and they brazed it. It's held all these years. If you guys need a good penetrating oil, this shit is expensive, but it's the best penetrating oil out there. Kano Aero Coil. It's the stuff. So we're gonna try and get that blade off. Maybe you could hear cold spot fired up. It's hot. First hot day of the summer, or the spring. I'm telling you, that oil is the best stuff you could get. Came right off. New Bright is applied. There's our pan. Gonna be easy to work with. All right, gentlemen. This was the side that had some rust, and it's nice and thick coat. It's still drying. Obviously, it's probably gonna take 2 days to dry like that. This is already pretty much dry. Here we got the shroud painted. Did the ends of the coils, a little sloppy on the ends of the coils, but we got them pretty good. And the rest of the compressor was pretty rust free except for the top. So we painted the top. It's gonna all get black paint, so it will blend in. The ends of the coils will get black paint. This will all get beige. There was really not much rust on that guy. We'll see if I end up wanting to paint that or not, but it's all cleaned out. It needs new insulation. This is soaking wet, actually. That all needs to be done. But yeah, we're getting there, guys, now. The sleeve will be next. Alright, I didn't go complete perfectionist on all this, but at the ends of the coils, somewhat painted. First with rusty metal primer, then black. Same here. Again, not perfect. Compressor's painted. It's not perfect. Tried my best without taking a million years to tape everything off. This, I need to get new liner put on it. I'm not gonna paint the fan motor. Sleeve came out beautiful. Gotta put the logo back on after I touch it up. I got a couple little drips here and there, but I did a lot of sanding and a good primer and 2 coats here of almond, so it came out real nice. The base pan, not as nice, but it's not gonna rust anymore. So that's it for now. All right, clear coated. Badge is repainted. Looking good, folks. Looking good. New liner. Fix that drain pan. It came loose. The hose. Everything is everything's painted, ready to go. Got some side panels to put in these frames. I got the front panel cleaned up. So, I'm waiting for all the clear coat to dry on all this stuff. And then it's gonna get put back together. You can't even hear the fan running on low. But it is moving air. A somewhat decent amount for how quiet it is.